on the road to Pittsburgh. Mama wanted her kettle corn popcorn. Jetta out there pumping some gas. Mario out there assisting.
Every bag is a chance to win what?
And Anaya. And Marcus. And me. She's so tired. Little worm.
How'd you know it was kettle corn?
I bought it, Mother.
Huh?
I bought it. I bought it for you that day that you decided you was giving up sweets.
That'll never happen. Mom be having a sweet tooth in the middle of the night. I want some pancakes. Made a whole pot of spaghetti and ate pancakes for dinner.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She's so tired. Oh, the DVD does work back there. Nice.
Oh.
What is this? Oh, that's where the DVD would go if we put the portable one in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.